Got some potatoes O'Brien going in. Got a can of fire roasted corn. We're making a chowder here that you're gonna love. So cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. Come on, we can do it. Get out of there. All right. To loosen that up, we're going with 4 cups of chicken stock. Y'all know I'm a big proponent of using barbecue rubs in my recipes. They have a lot of great flavors. This is a little garlic butter going in, but you can use a little garlic salt, a little garlic powder. But this is about a tablespoon worth. I'll throw a link in the comments if you want to get some of this. I'm gonna add another 4 cups of just plain old water. So we're gonna go crazy. We got a bunch of cooked bacon. And guys, just go to town on it with some kitchen shears. Make them little bite-sized pieces. This is gonna be about 2 packages worth of bacon that I'm adding in. And when you think you've added enough bacon, go ahead and add some more. And yes, you could use a knife to dice all this up, but I'm finding more and more these kitchen shears work so much better to cut little bite-sized pieces. But you do you, boo-boo. We're gonna add about a cup of heavy whipping cream in. Don't lose that spoon. Whoa, all right. Put that to the side. Make sure that's all nice and incorporated. The flavors in this are insane. All right, y'all. Our chowder's ready to be heated up. So we're gonna turn this bad boy on high and we're gonna go a couple hours with it, all right? I am using my Ninja Possible cooker, okay? Because if you watch some of my other videos, my crock pot is way too small and this has a slow cooker setting. So, yeah, it works for me and we can get plenty of soup made in this bad boy. So set it to high for a couple hours. I'll see you in a second. All right, we got a chowder here. Nice and creamy, delicious. Making a nice, look at all that bacon. Oh, that's just the goodness right there. Gotta give me a big old bowl full. Look at that. Oh, that is some chowder right there. We got our chowder in the bowl here. Add a little bit of cheese to it, because why the hell not? And of course, you got little green onions going in. Ooh, that's pretty. Y'all, the chowder is done. We gotta get a bite. Cheers, y'all. You know it's boiling hot. Cheers. Guys, this is so dang good. You gotta try it. Got that smoky bacon in there, that sweet corn. You even got a little bit of spice with those O'Brien potatoes we used in there. I'm gonna eat this. You make this too. Because baby, you know it's good.